Hello friends, welcome to NoNaTV. Today we are going to learn about how to find the area between four touching circles. This is one of the very common question that's asked in almost all the competitive exams. So what we are going to learn today is go through the concepts, go through the assumptions, what should be your thought process when you find a problem like this, what are the various formulas associated with it, and how to find the actual formula which would help to find the answer in few seconds and few examples that should help you for practice. So let's start. Start with diagrammatically mark what you know from the problem or the question stated. So in this area, I understand that the area marked in red is symmetrical, which means that all the circles are of equal radius. I will go ahead and mark the radius as x in this case. Circles being equal refers that the centers of the circles would make a perfect square, and the square would have each side of x plus x, 2x as the side. So those are the things that I would infer from this problem, what's indirectly given. So let's move on. So we need to identify what is the area of the red, what is the area that's being highlighted in red here. So if I see the area of the square is made of area of four sectors, which is sector A, sector B, sector C, sector D, along with the area which is marked in red. Our aim here is to find the area of the red piece. So area of the red piece is basically area of the square minus 4 times the area of sector A. Why it's 4 times? Because sector A, sector B, sector C, sector D, all those are identical. And if we can find one area of the sector, we can just multiply by 4. Moving on. How do you find the area of the square? It's side square. What is the side of the square here? It's x plus x to 2x. So area of the square is 2x into 2x, which is for x squared. Moving on, what is the area of sector? A sector with a radius r, the formula is pi r square by 4, which is basically pi r square is the area of the circle divided by 4, because it's one quadrant. So 4 times of which is 4 into 3.14, which is the value of the pi, into x square. Therefore, let's go to our original question. So our question is, what is the area of the red piece? So the red piece is equal to area of the square minus 4 times area of sector A, which is 4x square minus 3.14x square, which is 0.86x square. So the thing that you need to remember is the red piece can be found as the total area of the square minus 4 times the sector. You know the sector area, you know the square area, and you find this value. So 0.86x square is the answer. If you would remember it, we can always keep that in our formula list, that area between four touching circles would be 0.86x square when x is one of the radius of the circle. So here, if the radius is 5, what would be the area between the four touching circles? It's 0.86 into 5 into 5, which is 25, which comes to 21.5 centimeters square. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any problems that you would like to solve with our help. If you like this video, go ahead and please subscribe. Looking forward to work with you guys also. Thank you.